Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanti. If this is your first time here, if it's not your first time here, welcome back. And today is currently Juneteenth. I have a few places to go, but first I was like, let me go ahead and clean up this house, because if I go somewhere and like I'm thinking about the fact that I gotta clean up when I get back home, I'm not even gonna be able to fully enjoy myself. So I just figured I would bring y'all along with me, because sometimes when I watch like other people's cleaning videos, it's like very therapeutic and just like learning about new products and seeing what they use. So first, since I'm already in here, I'm gonna start in my bathroom. I just currently finished like doing my skincare routine and my hair. I got it tied down so my edges can be laid throughout the day, but yes, so I'll probably start like right here with picking up everything on the counter. And y'all, like for the most part, I don't really get stuff like dirty per se, but I feel like you should still go in and like surface clean and disinfect at least once a week. So that's what we about to do. Okay, y'all, so now that I sprayed everything down in the bathroom that I'm going to be cleaning surface-wise, which is mainly like the tub and the toilet, I'm going to do the like counter last, because that's where I have everything sitting that I moved out of the shower. But now I'm just in the kitchen so I can wash dishes, wipe everything down in here, and then I'm going to let the eyes off the stove soak while I'm finishing up the bathrooms. And then, yeah, because I like to let stuff sit if it's something that, you know, doesn't get clean like every single day. I guess I'll show y'all what I'm using to clean the dishes, which is basically just Blue Dawn and of course bleach. I use bleach with everything. Like when you cleaning, or at least for me, when I'm cleaning, like there has to be like some type of smell factor. Like if it don't smell good or if it don't smell like bleach, it's not clean to me. So that's what we're about to do now. Oh, and just a quick tip, because I know some people still do this, like when I go to other people's houses, I've seen them do this. If you have knives that need to be washed, do not put them in the dishwater. That's how you cut your fingers off. Okay, so Micah's bathroom is pretty much clean for the most part, because I've been like in here cleaning literally every day this week. So his tub and all that is already good. I'm thinking I'm gonna get baskets to go on back of the toilets to hold stuff, and maybe like a little wipe holder so that it's something a little more aesthetic. The only thing I have to do in here is clean the mirrors, and I'm gonna wipe down the counters and then go ahead and sweep and mop. I've already like taken his potty apart and cleaned that out. So his trash doesn't have anything, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, since Micah's bathroom doesn't need that much attention, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out while I'm letting the stuff in my restroom finish soaking. So I just sprayed this on the counter, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down, and then let me double check to make sure I don't need to do his toilet. No, his toilet is good to go. So, and then sweeping and mopping is gonna be literally the last thing that I do when I'm leaving out of the house, because I have to mop like the foyer area, so that way I'm not walking back over the wet floor. I'm gonna just do that last. Okay, next thing I need to tackle in here is this counter. I could really go ahead and do this right now, because I got this little thing. I think it came from Target, and I just got it to like keep my skincare stuff on so that it's not like all over the place, or it can at least look like it has some type of organization to it instead of it just being everywhere. Any hair stuff I have goes under here. I just have it in this like crate for now, but I need to get like more flat ones so I can actually see the products laid out. So that's something else that I need to get. I'll probably be taking a trip to either Target or Home Goods. If not today, then tomorrow, because it's not like super bad under here, but it needs some organization. So that's what we'll be working on next. Not today, but the next time I go in like depth on cleaning and stuff. So this is like usually what I keep my like candles on. So I'll go ahead and put one on there and light it so we can have some type of smell going in here. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Hold on, let me sit the phone down and light this candle. Okay, got the candle lit, stuck it back in its designated spot. Okay, back to picking the rest of this up. Up here, I just put like miscellaneous stuff. I have my two like little crystals. I could just stick that there. I'll leave this out on top because I use that every day. And then of course my soap goes right there. But I am gonna clean out the sinks. So just stick these cotton rounds right here for now next to the Q-tips. This can go in the trash because the candle that came off of, I already used up. And then the rest of this stuff is going back into the kitchen because that's where I keep my cleaning stuff. That goes into Micah's bathroom. So now that I have this kind of cleaned off, I can just spray it down, wipe it down, do the mirrors. And then I think the last thing I have to do in here is sweep them up. And then y'all, it's almost time to go. I think I mainly wanted to focus on the bathrooms and the kitchen. Nobody's ever like really in the living room, but of course I'm gonna double check in there just to make sure because Mike will be having toys everywhere, so. Okay, all done with my bathroom, of course, except for sweeping and mopping. So back to the kitchen to finish up with everything in there, and then I can come get dressed, sweep and mop, and then we out of here. Okay, so real quick, I just decided that I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum. The floor is actually not dirty, but I need to get a new rug to go down in the living room. So I figured if I have time to go do that today and the floor is already clean, then that's one less thing I have to worry about doing when I get back home. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle down some Carpet Fresh, and I just have this one. It doesn't have like smell good scent to it, but it just knocks out any like odor that may be in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I just swept the kitchen already, but I'm gonna real quick show y'all what I put in my dishwater. I already put, not dishwater, mop water. So I already put the water in here. As y'all can see, it's steaming. I try to get like the water as hot as I can, and then I try not to add too much. Like my limit is like 3 because I really be trying to be minimal, and plus I do not be trying to like experiment and be up and not able to breathe because I done mixed up the wrong stuff. So first I put some Blue Dawn, and as y'all can see, like when the water is already hot, it's easier for the product to disperse instead of it just like sitting there at the bottom. And then I'm going in with some of this Mr. Clean antibacterial like cleaning solution, and I usually do like to use Fabuloso, but when I went to Target they didn't have like none of the smell good scents, so that's what's going in here next. And then of course the last thing is bleach, because like I said, if I don't have that bleach smell, then I just feel like I didn't clean nothing. So now we finna mop. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done cleaning. So I'm back in my bathroom. And y'all, it just feels way better being in here when it's clean. It smells good. So I'm in a good mood. I'm ready to get my day started. Spend the morning cleaning. So now I can actually go out and enjoy myself without having to worry about if I have to clean or what I have to clean when I get back home. My bun looking good. Edges. Y'all, I'm finally learning how to do some with my little edges. So anyways, like I said, I just wanted to like make this video because I like watching other people clean. Like, I don't know why, but it's like sometimes therapeutic. And if I'm not in the mood to clean, like sometimes it'll motivate me to like get me there and help me to do so. So hopefully I can do that for somebody else. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see y'all in my next vlog or video. Bye.